This is my special pie.
Yung masita daw ng sabu-subulan.
I can wash it. Who's on his potty? Who has to poop?
Yellow.
You did it.
Yellow.
Taking this sensory bit to figure it out. Can you help me?
That orange one, you put it on number 4. Lagay mo sa 4, yung orange. Number 4. Number 4 ba yan?
Kasi orange lang number 2.
Hindi, sa number 4 mo nga ilalagay. Yun, tapos you get a red one. Punta ko ba ka ng red one? Okay, lagay mo yung red one sa number 2. Yan, tapos kuha ka pa na isa. Green one. You put the green one on number 1. Then get another one. Get the purple one. You put the purple to number 11. 11. Galing. Galing ni Kuisa. Get another one. Orange. You put it on number 10. 10. Ayun. Good job. Ayos.
Daddy,
Saglit. Bakit?
kasi put the
Okay, okay.
put the orange one to the number 2.
Number 2.
Yes.
Yun.
Put the red one to the number 1.
Number 1. Okay.
Put the green one to number 3.
Number 3.
And put the purple one to number 4.
Number 4. Ay.
Put the
Good job ako.
and put red again.
Red again. Okay.
Put the red one here.
Number
Number 5.
5. Nice.
Put the orange one to the number 6.
6.
Wash with soap and water,
Put that green one to the number 7.
or eat a snack.
And put the fourth one to
Number
the
8.
8th
Wash
one.
with soap
Okay.
and water to keep you safe and healthy.
And red.
I did it. Uy, where's the other? Uy, I got it. Yay!
You made the colorful mouse.
Is that a mouse?
Yeah.
Okay.
You made it a color one.